While economic reforms were expected from the four-day assembly of China's senior leaders, the world's initial reaction was to focus on the changes in the one-child policy and the decision to end the system of re-education through labour. The world's media reaction included this from the New York Times. The planned changes to population policy and punishment, two areas where reforms have been debated and delayed, gave the decision significance beyond the economy. And the BBC said correspondents say the policy has become increasingly unpopular and that leaders fear the country's ageing population will both reduce the labour pool and exacerbate elderly care issues. And from Reuters, China unveils boldest reform in decades, shows Xi in command. CCTV asked the US State Department for its reaction. A spokesperson says they are still examining the final document.
I know there have been a range of announcements that have come out over the past couple of days. Obviously, we're looking closely at those.
Before the third plenum, the world was wondering how far-reaching the reforms would be. The 60-point plan seems to have been initially received by the world's media as a more comprehensive document than some expected. The focus on freeing up markets will also help in discussions with US President Barack Obama when it comes to trade talks, as well as the decision to examine the need for an intellectual property court.